Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alon. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm here with my friend Jeanette.
Hey, I'm Jeanette.
We've been friends for like how long?
Oh my god, almost a decade, right? Half a decade.
And we're good. Don't ever interrupt me again. So today we're gonna be doing the makeup challenge. I'm actually going to try because I see a lot of YouTubers do this and they're like, oh, like I don't know how to do it, like what, does the blush go in the eyes? Like, nah bitch, I practice, like I learn. Like Jeanette was like, you better like learn and you better watch videos and practice on people because I'm not gonna go over there with some amateur bullshit.
Yeah, I know there's an artist in here. Inside his heart. There's an artist in there.
You actually believe in me?
Yes, I am gonna be his canvas today and he's gonna do his best.
So you guys wanna see what I get into? Stick around and let's get into it.
Cheers.
Dude, I feel more trash than a college girl in Cabo.
Fuck. And that's trashy, dude.
I was looking up like life hacks.
Don't touch my shit. Oh, serious.
I'm 25% clean and trying to stay that way.
Alright, cool for sure.
Alright, so the first thing I do is prime. We're gonna use the caviar. Oh, damn.
Caviar.
I'm a vegan and you're killing little baby fish?
Are you serious? It says that?
How do YouTubers do it?
It's too bright.
It's brighter than my future.
Alright guys, let me just
sorry, who's Picasso here?
I
You or
have
me?
to
You're like
dive
Picasso's
in.
assistant who never made it as an artist.
This is for my hair.
The e.l.f. poreless face. Oh, I should have just read that. Is this face primer?
I know, you just read everything. Be gone.
Is that like too much or is that good?
That's fine.
'Cause that's how much I just put on my elbows.
Alright, cool.
Does that mean that it's gonna be like poreless?
Yeah, my face is gonna turn poreless. The opposite that is right now.
Your skin's really soft. It's softer than like...
Then your butt.
So now that her face is fully primed, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in with a little bit of foundation. Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the color 130 buff beige. This one.
Definitely.
Oh my god.
Yes, he has an A so far.
I didn't pass in school. I only passed lunch. So next, we're gonna go ahead and conceal.
Nice, look at you.
You're like,
not my makeup routine, but
you're
close.
like, so we're gonna be using the Pore Conceal HD High Definition. Well, HD is high definition.
Duh.
We're gonna do little triangles underneath her eye, as you can see. Illuminati, she's part of it. A little triangle. Dude, I'm telling you. Like,
You're good, dude. One of the reasons I wanted to join in with this video is just to like laugh at you, but I mean, you're actually pretty great.
Next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and contour her face.
Yes.
So it's gonna be this angled brush. This is Morphe 5.4. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what the hell it is. To go ahead and contour her face and make her jawbone so sharp that she can cut my cheesecake. So you can do like a 3, so we can make everything chiseled. You just want to focus on the main parts, which are gonna part right here,
So sharp.
her chin, and then the forehead right here. So next we're gonna go ahead and, honestly, like that's all I know.
A little break.
The next thing I'm gonna do is those damn eyebrows. I'm gonna try to make them sharper than Cheddar's. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Kit. But first you wanna brush those brows up, get them all curved. She went ahead and just did her eyebrows just for this video. And you know, like if that's not true friendship, like
Just for him.
go fuck yourself. We're gonna go ahead and try to match them. Let's make them twins, not sisters.
Wow, that's amazing, bro. I'm gonna come back to you and just...
Yeah, whenever you want to like make up to go to like Del Taco or you know,
definitely McDonald's.
So next we're gonna go ahead and do her eyelids. We're gonna go ahead and do the eyeshadow. We're gonna be using the Modern Renaissance. This is also Anastasia. Damn, Anastasia is like on it. She's on there for that coin. But before we get into the eyes, I want to go ahead and conceal them a little bit just so that the eyeshadow can pop and it's like, yo, what's up? I'm here. I'm not here to play. Base it with the golden orch. Is that says orch? Kind of like, oh, damn, I'm telling you. So next I'm going to jump in with the Primavera to give it kind of like this shimmery champagne look because she's trying to pop those bottles of Taco Bell, you know what I'm saying? You're going to want to book me after this. I saw quinceañeras, sweet 16, baby showers. Weddings.
Divorce.
Divorce, child support. I'm going to brand this Real Gar and Raw Sienna together. Is Anastasia a real person?
All right. Are you?
Is she? So me and Jeanette actually.
Let's get personal.
No, let's stop that. Nah, just kidding.
I'm like.
Me and Jeanette actually we worked together.
You remember the exact like day, like how everything was the first time we met?
Yeah, you came in, and then we just started talking like right away. Like we clicked right away.
I think I just started asking him questions about the job, and then he was very chill. Like he was really cool and very outgoing and fun, and I think that that's what made me really like him. Like
After that, we started getting to know each other. We went to this bar. And dude, she brought like a freaking 18-pack of not margaritas. What are they called? Mangaritas? Or strawberries.
Strawberries,
That's when they first launched, and they came in like little mini packs. But in those little mini packs, they have like 8% alcohol, and she drank like 5 of them.
Fuck.
And she was throwing up before we can even get to the bar.
Yeah, so those things are strong.
Dude, they're really strong. Yeah.
We've known each other for 5 years already, huh?
Dude, for real?
Yeah, dude, and it's just. After, we worked together for a few years, right? And then we just, always kept in contact. Even if we, if we lost contact or we're busy, with our lives, no matter what, we'll make time for each other.
Exactly.
Yeah, and that's how it should be. You make time for the people that you care for and you love.
I'm gonna go in with like a darker shade to give it more of a smoky eye effect with this Cypress Umber. So she has a real big obsession with G-Eazy. Like, you know that song it's called Him and Her? She would tell me right now.
Him and I.
Oh, Him and I. Damn, you really are a fan. She was like, honestly, Alon, when he came out with that video, like I was super jealous because she wants to be Halsey or whatever her name is. Makeup is tedious. So I think the next video that we should film is you doing my makeup. Like, see, I want to see your skills.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and put the eyeliner on her eye.
Jeffree Star. Just kidding.
This is Jeffree Star. So this is gonna be Ciate. Oh, that's fancy. Oh, let me get 2 orders of Ciate. Another break.
Holy shit, it's really thick. But you know what? It's actually nicer than some other
Should I make the other one thick just to match?
Dude, like it's your look, yeah.
Okay. They're not twins, they're more sisters now. Like sisters that were like adopted and they never knew each other and they came back to each other like, yo, like we should have stood adopted.
Well, you know what? They're not identical twins, they're fraternal twins.
Oh, there we go.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna go ahead and make it thick like my body.
Like that I met you. You're one of the few friends that I actually talk to a lot.
Yeah, you don't give me an option to walk out of your life. Like, you don't know we're gonna be friends. Like.
I know, dude. I have you on a leash. I'm like, bitch, where are you going? You're there, dude.
Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some eyelashes, and I'm gonna be using the 3 Fashion eyelashes by Fayez Paredes.
You have to cut. I'll cut them for you because I don't want you to fuck them up. Yeah, they are very natural looking.
They look like caterpillars on crack.
Motherfucker. That wasn't me. That was my demon side. Correct.
So we're gonna be using the dual eyelash glue to glue these bad boys on so she can flutter away from these problems.
Make sure, guys, just a side note, do not freeze. I think he's a, undercover MUA guy.
I'm telling you, alantimoteo Montoya Jackson MUA is coming for Jeffree Star.
He's coming for you.
Brush him up with some mascara. Mascara!
These are amazing, guys. I am addicted to these.
So next I'm gonna go in with the Power Volume 24 hours. So if she like cries or she gets jumped or she gets pushed into the water, into the ocean, abandoned by her family, like this is good.
You like this girl?
Halsey?
No, not her.
The other girl.
What girl?
Is it Bebe right?
Oh, this is her. I was so hungry.
I'm hungry too. Fuck, dude. You should make some food.
Okay, so now we're gonna go with the matte look from LA Girls. This is the Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. Now that we got her lips with that matte color, we're gonna go ahead and go back in with this kind of like dark L'Oreal color. It's in the color Cinnamon Toast. Just because her eyes are more burnt, it has that burnt orange color, so we're gonna add this more burnt color as well too. We're gonna go back in with that kind of like the highlighter that I use on her inner corners. We're gonna highlight those cheeks. So we're going back with the Master Chrome Face Studio Metallic Highlighter Eliminate Matte. I think it's in French.
Just don't waste it. I'm like, don't waste it, don't spill it, and he does. The first thing he does.
Is this expensive, the highlighter?
It works like a high-end, but it's valued.
I don't know what a high-end one is.
Damn, dude, they range from like
Oh, high end.
Like high end, yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking about a brand, Hind.
It's just not. It's affordable. I mean, it's cheaper than other high end highlighters. It's like, yeah, I got it for like $8, $7.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Some other ones too, like you'll be surprised. In the makeup world, they're like, damn, $20. It could be 20, 30 more. Wow, look.
I think she looks.
Look.
Oh,
Poppin'.
I'm like Helen Keller. Where are you?
Holy shit, where you at? Is this the light that you see in the end of the tunnel? I think it is.
So this is the final look for her, guys. She looks poppin'.
She did really good, Alan.
You think so?
Yeah, you're
Like,
really
you're
good.
not
Even
just-
the eyeliner, it's great. It's
You're
like,
not just saying
it's
that?
a little thick. It's, you know.
But thick is in. Like 2018 is all about being thick.
Yeah, it's all about being thick, and it's the style. It's, you know, it's nice. I like it, and I might book you for my events. Definitely. Just kidding. But yeah, definitely, I love it. Really good. You can see I'm like popping, shiny. You can see.
I'm gonna go ahead and jump her ass into a little montage right now.
Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded.
So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys want to see more videos with me and Jeanette, we are planning another video where she's gonna try to do my makeup. Or she actually does makeup, but she's gonna do my makeup probably within the next week or so.
Definitely.
So that video should
Excited.
be me too, dude. I want to see what you come
I'm
up
gonna
with.
do it right now.
Ah!
Canvas.
So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll go ahead and post Jeanette's Instagram right here, so you can go ahead and follow her as well too. Yeah, that is it. And until next time, guys, much love. Be kind, be humble to one another. Until next time, guys.
Bye.